Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ang concentration ng reading natin ngayon is kung ano yung message na gustong sabihin sa'yo ng person na ito. Okay? Whoever this person na nasa isip mo ngayon. Okay, ano yung message niya ngayon? And this is love reading, of course. And maaaring itong person na ito, of course, wala kayong communication. Kaya yung message natin, nakakonsentrate din sa person na kakonect mo na wala kayong connection or communication ngayon. Okay, so, yeah. Let's start your reading for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. If you are interested sa astrology, meron akong mga in-upload na astrological reading doon sa Unicorn Princess Tarot na channel. Feel free to check it out. Okay, so let's start your reading, Virgo. Sino muna tong person na nasa isip mo ngayon? Sino tong person na nasa isip mo ngayon? Kunin natin ha. Pag hindi ka nakarelate, wag pilitin. Wag pilitin, wag pilitin. Okay, paulit-ulit yun kasi general reading to guys, general reading. So, sino tong person na nasa isip mo ngayon? The Lovers, okay. What's with the Lovers? Six of Cups, okay. One more card. Person in Virgo. Ten of Cups, okay. This is a person in the past with the Six of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, Gemini energy is also here. Gemini is actually a twin. So, some of you, yung symbol ng Gemini is a twin. So, you could be dealing with someone na parang marami kayong similarities because a twin is someone na hindi lang isa yung nakikita mong pagkakapareho ninyo. Dalawa, tatlo, marami. Maybe physical features, ayan, or maybe there are signs that this is maybe a twin flame, Gemini is a twin, so this could be a twin flame connection. And I feel like itong connection na to with the Ten of Cups, there's a lot of love na involved sa inyo. And also, this is a connection wherein may involvement ng family. So, pwedeng kilala siya ng family mo or kilala ka ng family niya. Like, hindi lang isa sa pamilya mo ang may kilala sa kanya, ha? Maybe 2 to 3 or maybe even more. And then, ganun din siya sa'yo. So, this connection, as much as possible, dinidetail ko yung kung sino tong taong to. Then, of course, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, wag pilitin. Also, with the Lovers, there's partnership maybe in the past sa inyo. Or, until now, andito pa rin si partnership, pwedeng ganun. But there's a lot of, I feel like there's a lot of love. And, okay. Wait lang guys ha. So, bottom of the deck, there's this Queen of Coins. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I feel like this is someone na pwedeng kilala ka niya talaga kung sino ka or ano ka. Like maybe wala kang itinatago sa kanya. Because you can freely express yourself dito sa taong ito. Yeah, and I can see the word twins again. So you could be dealing with a twin flame. So, kilala ka niya in a way na pwedeng, pag nag-usap kayo, in the past, no? Maybe, kahit may kinalaman sa money, I feel like alam na niya yung lahat sa iyo, kung paano ka mag-isip. So, Or maybe there's partnership in the past na may kinalaman sa money. Six of Coins, yeah. This is partnership, pagtutulungan. So, yung iba, if this is not a twin, kung hindi naman kayo twin flame or whatsoever, pwedeng meron kayong partnership na may kinalaman sa growth, no? Nagkaroon kayo ng growth or expansion together. And there's, like, supportive energy sa inyong dalawa. Okay, so, anong gusto niya sabihin sa'yo? Ano yung mga messages niya sa'yo? During this separation, ano yung mga messages niya sa'yo? Gusto kong gamitin tong card na to, the Hermit card, the Hermit Tarot, kasi matagal ko na tong hindi nagagamit. So, ano yung mga messages niya sa'yo, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Rising, Venus, Virgo. I need more balance, and you do have here, you make me want to do bad things. I just want you all the time. And at the bottom of the deck, you do have here, I am terrified. And I'm a very jealous person. And sumunod yung, I have so much desire for you. So, the way I see this, I feel like with the I need more balance, medyo hindi ito yung nakukuha kong message, but rather, maybe itong person na ito is, di ba with the Lovers, sabi ko marami kayong pagkakapareho. And, tignan mo yung sarili mo kung paano ka mag-isip. Dahil maaaring, yung way mo ng pag-iisip, yun din yung nagiging conflict ninyo ng person na ito. Okay? For example, ilagay mo yung sarili mo sa sitwasyon niya. And then, ano yung sasabihin mo? Halimbawa, ikaw yung nasa sitwasyon niya, no? Ngayon, whatever situation that is, ano yung sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, di ba? Parang, nagigets mo yun? Or anong sasabihin mo sa kanya, kung halimbawa siya naman yung nasa sitwasyon mo, di ba? Might be, maraming pagkakapareho doon. Nagigets mo? Medyo mahirap i-explain. Pero sana nagigets mo. Maybe I should use something. Yeah. Halimbawa, itong dalawang ball na ito. No? Marami kayong pagkakapareho. Diba? Pero, might be, meron siyang situation na parang sa ngayon, iniisip mo bakit hindi nakikipag-connect tong taong to. Pwedeng yung kasi pag nagkapalit kayo ng situation ng ganyan, ba nagkapalit, parang kung ano yung pag-iisip mo, pag ikaw yung nandun sa sitwasyon na yon, yun yung nagiging approach niya rin. Nagigets mo yun. So, you do have here, you make me want to do bad things. Andito siya sa ilalim ng Six of Cups. Maaaring meron siya mga bagay na maling gagawain or gustong gawain, pero alam niyang mali. Pero para gusto niyang gawain. Kasi it has something to do with your connection. I just want you all the time. And kung mapapansin mo, this is weird actually yung message na ito. Bakit? I just want you all, tapos may period, the period, time period. I feel like there's a lot of yung period kasi is talking about ending. And especially, ang nagpapakitang color dito is black. So, might be there's an ending between the two of you na hindi lang niya isang beses naisip itong bagay na to eh. Gusto kanya noon, pwedeng noon, ngayon at bukas. Pero nagkakaroon ng period lagi. Maybe in the past, nagkaroon ng gusto kita, parang ganon. Pero nagkaroon ng period, okay, hindi natuloy yung connection. Sumunod, nagkaroon ng paghiwalayan. Nagkaroon ng reconnection. Tapos, gusto kita ngayon. Kahit pa. So, yun yung may kahit pa. Pero period, nagkaroon na naman ng period. And, gusto kita bukas or in the future, ganun pa rin. Alam niya yun sa sarili niya. Kasi kahit magkaroon ng ilan mang period sa buhay ninyo, ilan mang stop sa connection ninyo, alam niya kung ano yung pagkagusto niya sa'yo. So, you do have your I am terrified. So, pwedeng natatakot lang siya. And we do have your I am a very jealous person. Maybe natatakot siya for someone who is pwedeng mag-react kapag hindi naging maganda yung kapag may ginawa kayong hindi maganda sa connection na to. Like, hindi lang ngayon ha, maybe in the past. So, maybe may mga actions na hindi natuloy dahil natatakot sa kung ano man yung mga magiging reaction or kung sino man itong mga ibang taong involved. Okay? Maybe this is you. Pwedeng ikaw din to na I can see the word dad. So, maybe may kinalaman sa maybe in the past may kinalaman sa connection ninyo because you were too young and then may daddy issues or involvement dito or someone is taking power or maybe another relationship, yan. And may tug of war dito, may parang hilahan kind of energy. And let's get more messages. So, pwedeng natatakot siya na mag-take ng risk because maaring maapektuhan. May mga maapektuhan. Ano pa yung mga gusto niya sabihin? I just want space. You are so very special and time to ground yourself. I want to clarify yung mga card na ito. What's with the number 6? I just want space. Clarify this, please. We do have here, my life started when I met you. And do you even see me that way? Followed by sex. And bottom of the deck, will you choose me? I am too afraid to talk to you. I mean, itong mga cards na ito, kanina pa ako nakakaramdam dito ng parang natatakot siya sa maaaring maging tensyon. Diba? Depende sa sitwasyon mo kasi I don't know your story. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Pero, natatakot siya na magkaroon ng tensyon. Kaya might be hindi siya makapag-desisyon. Nacha-challenge ang kanyang sarili. Nagkakaroon siya ng stress. And Sa ngayon, hindi niya talaga alam kung ano ang gagawain. And I feel like there's a lot of passion mula dito sa taong to. There's a lot of passion. I can see the number 3. Sorry. I don't know, I just saw the number 3. Kahit walang 3 dito, may nakita akong 3. Something to do with 3. So, I don't know if your birthday is 3. But, yung 3 kasi is about growth. And, nakakita ko ng heart. So, sa isa sa mga crystal ko, symbol of heart. So, that's love. Yan. Kaya lang, hindi niya alam kung paano magre-react doon sa love na yon. And I'm too afraid to talk to you. So, yung person na ito talagang hindi niya alam kung ano sasabihin niya, whatsoever. And will you choose me? For me, ito ay may kinalaman sa choices. If siya yung may choices, pwedeng with the I'm too afraid to talk to you, pwedeng I'm too afraid na to make choice or to choose, 'di ba? For now. Parang natatakot ako mamili ngayon. Okay? Kung siya yung may choices. And if this is you na may choice, pwedeng ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi niya masabi or mai-express kung ano yung talagang emotions niya para sa'yo. For this person, you are very special. Clarify the you are very special, please. Yeah, you do have your you matter. So, mahalaga ka para sa kanya. If ever that you are the one na may choices dito, you do have your I could be your hero, baby. Parang, I can be your knight in shining armor. Kung hindi ka okay dyan sa choices mo, kung hindi ka okay dyan sa choices mo, I can be your hero. I can, I can help you. Pwedeng ganyan. Andito ako. Especially if you're dealing with a single person and you are the one in another connection. Diba? So, I'm here. Andito ako. I can help you. Pero, ayaw niyang magmadali. I think we should slow down. The energy here is that pwede nating ituloy ito into a deeper level of commitment pero hindi agad-agad. Na pangit yung magiging dating or tingin sa akin. Yan. You do have your I'm open to compromise. So, yung person na ito, willing siyang mag-adjust. It's just that ayaw niyang minamadali. Especially if there are people na involved. Like maybe kapatid, pamilya, magulang. If there are children, so children. So, the energy here is that ayaw niyang maging masama ang tingin sa kanya ng mga taong yun. Na right after mong umalis sa isang relationship, just in case that you are the one na nasa isang relasyon, ayaw naman niya na malalaman nila na nag-break kami or naghiwalay kami ni ganito. Ito si ano. O halimbawa, papakilala mo, ipapakita mo, siya yung bago ko. Di ba parang ang pangit? Parang ang dahilan is kaya ka nakipag-break or nakipaghiwalay dun sa someone na yon is because of this person. Nagets mo yon? So, ito yung mindset ng taong to eh. And you do have your I lie awake thinking about our future. So, masyado siyang advanced mag-isip. I don't know, but I just read this as, ito ay Ace of Pentacles, but kanina habang tinitignan ko siya, ang nababasa ko ay patience. Patience, di ba? Wag ka magmadali. Parang ganun. So, and if ever, might be, ikaw ang nasa situation niya, pwedeng ganun din ang iisipin mo, di ba? For example, hiwalay siya dun sa person niya. And then sasabihin mo, sasabihin niya, tayo na lang. Di ba parang ang weird, parang ang pangit sa'yo, no? Na parang isipin mo, ano yun, after mong umalis sa isang relationship, nakita mo ako na. Nagigets mo, parang andun yung thinking na, ang pangit ng dating. Parang hindi ba pwedeng patagal-tagalin mo na yung may 3 months rule, di ba? Parang ang hirap kasi lalo may mga maapektuhan na iba. May ibang hindi aware sa mga ganito ganyan. So may conflict, may tension. At ayaw ng person na ito na nape-pressure siya. Ayaw niya. So tell me more for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Messages ng person na ito patungkol sa'yo. Sana nakaka-relate. Kapag di ka nakaka-relate, huwag pilitin ha. Huwag pilitin. Nakakamoy ako ng bagong ligo. This could be a reading. Anyway. You do have your I'm ready. Yes. I am absolutely in love with you. You do have your I think so, yes. I am obsessed with your body. And I want you. I imagined you naked. Guys. Anyway. Number 15 is always showing up. Number 15. And also number 8. Ayan. Meron na tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 na 8. And that could be an angel number for you. Angel number. Anyway. Number 15. Kung titignan mo kasi yan, it's like 3 10. 3 5. So, ano yon? Yung 10 kasi, sa numerology is about ending. About an ending. So, I feel like, after the ending, parang itong gusto mangyari ng person mo eh. After ng ending, gusto ko muna may changes. The number 5 is about changes naman. Diba? After the ending, gusto ko muna ng changes. And then, yung number 1 is a new beginning. Yung hayaan mo munang magkaroon ng pagbabago. And then, kusa na lang mag-unfold itong new beginning para sa atin. And then, you do have your I'm ready. And this is number 0. Actually, number 0 is, this is the number for the card sa tarot reading na the Fool, which is pagtitake ng risk. And I feel like this person pwedeng gusto niyang mag-take ng risk right after magkaroon ng changes. Pag nabago na yung views or pagtingin sa kanya ng maybe ng friends mo or ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Like, They will see that your friendship is something na special. Alam mo yon, yung parang, okay, kung tayo ay may problema, halimbawa may ending sa inyo. I can see the word parent. So, pwedeng yung magulang, di ba? Parang gusto nilang makita yung friendship muna natin. Parang ganon. And after nilang makita yung friendship natin, doon pwedeng magkaroon na ng opportunity kung paano or paano magiging totoo or yung relationship natin is paano siya mapupunta sa deeper level of commitment. No? Nagigets mo yun? Parang gusto ko maging maganda muna tingin nila sa akin, makilala muna nila. You know what I mean? Hindi ko alam kung nagigets mo, but anyway, etong person na to, hindi siya nagmamadali. Yun yung pinakamalinaw doon. Hindi siya nagmamadali. And time will come na itong person na to will say, okay, I'm absolutely in love with you. Mahal talaga kita. Okay? And pwedeng sabihin niya sa'yo, I'm too afraid to talk. Mararamdaman mo naman yun sa actions ko. Pero maaring hindi ko masabi sa'yo talaga kung ano yung nararamdaman ko. And you do have your, I'm open to compromise. So, there's a lot of acceptance mula dito sa taong to. Yeah, you do have your listen to your heart. You are dealing with the person na hindi siya pala open, hindi siya pala salita. Could be dealing with a Scorpio, you know, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Ayun kasi ang qualities ng Scorpio, no? Or maybe a Plutonian, sabihin na natin ganun. Plutonian is a planet of Pluto, and yung kaugalian ng Pluto is like, this person, no, parang ano siya, you know, the Pluto is pinakamalayong planet. Parang siya yung pinakahuling planet na na-discover. So, you do have your, I feel the same way. So, pareho lang kayo ng emotions talaga nitong person na to. And you do have 222. So, that's an angel number for you. And this is actually, yung mga angel numbers dito, pwedeng ito yung mga angel number na laging nagpapakita sa'yo. And this is a confirmation na might be, oh, ito yung message para sa'yo. Okay. And you do have your, I think, so yes, I want you, I imagine you naked. Of course, this person is fantasizing about you. Lalo na, if you are also fantasizing about this person. Kasi, with the lovers, Gemini energy, so you could be dealing with a person na marami kayong pagkakapareho. Kasama doon yung pag-i-imagine sa isa't isa sexually. And it's not a bad thing. Kasi hindi siya bastos in a way na kasi may halong love yon. Pinafantasize ka niya kasi in a way na mahal ka niya. You know? And yung nahihirapan kayo sa relationship na to, so wag nyo naman ipagdamot sa akin yung kahit pagpa-fantasize na lang. Parang gano'n para sa person mo, di ba? Nag-gets mo yun. And yun yung message para sa'yo. Now, ano yung future actions? Ano yung future action? Anong future action ng person na ito towards you? Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Angel guides, Archangel Michael, please tell me. Ano yung future action ng person na ito towards Virgo? Yeah, you do have your weight. Yeah. Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi siya nagmamadali. Although maganda yung kinakalabasan ng reading, wait lang. Parang gano'n. Hindi naman kinabukasan ng effect nito. Parang gano'n. Nagigets mo? And you do have your, I want to start a family with you. And you do have here, reach out and Ace of Swords. Wow. And this is not a message, but rather angel number 111. Ayan. So, you do have your weight. mayroon tayong, the number 7 sa numerology is, it's also, katulad din siya ng 5 na may kinalaman sa changes. Pero yung changes is, number 7, hindi siya masyadong mabilis. Hindi siya masyadong malaki. So, pwedeng itong person na to, may mga maliliit na changes siyang gagawain. And you do have here, I want to start family with you. So, maybe it has something to do with an ending. So, may mga babaguhin siya unti-unti na may kinalaman sa ending. And then, after nito, this person is going to reach out after nung ending. Okay? So, might be, kung may ending sa inyo ngayon, it's just temporary. Temporary distance, temporary changes, temporary stress, temporary pain. You know what I mean? Kasi, ang hirap, may tension, may delay na nangyayari. And for this person is, pwedeng nagkakaroon siya ng realizations about that. And maybe something to do with father. Nakakita ko ng father dito. So, maybe something to do with the father. Maybe ito yung nagbibigay ng conflict or nakakapagpatagal sa kanya magbigay ng actions or medyo nape-pressure or hindi siya makapaggawa ng actions agad-agad at desisyon agad-agad because maybe regarding sa father. So, or maybe regarding sa father niya, yan, pwedeng, or maybe you're dealing with the father, pwede may anak na siya. Or maybe you're dealing with a person na may issue regarding sa kanyang father, sa kanyang tatay. And, I don't want to, parang ang energy niya, ayokong i-repeat or ulitin yung story ni Papa. Parang ganun. Ayoko ng ganun din yung mangyari sa akin, sa connection, sa relationship, or what. Or maybe, lalo na if there's a family na involved with I want to start a family, so maybe may family na involved dito, especially with the 10 of Cups. Kung may family na involved, it's hard na magkaroon agad-agad ng new beginning dahil alam ko yung feeling. You know what I mean? Alam ko yung feeling ng ganyan. Alam ko yung maybe you're dealing with someone who is kasama siya sa broken family or member siya ng broken family. So, lalo na kung ganun. Ang hirap, di ba? Parang ayokong ipilit or ayokong ituloy because of that. Thinking of parang kung ginagaya yung ayaw kong gayahin kasi bangungot yun ng buhay ko. So, pwedeng ganun. But I want to start a family with you. So, this person wants to end something or will end something kasi ito actions, ito in the near future. Pero matagal, mabagal. Wait lang. You do have your wait. Huwag kang magmadali. You do have your reach out. So, yung person na ito, kusa siyang magre-reach out with a sword and the Ace of Wands. So, regarding sa, this is intense na pag-iisip sa'yo. And this will happen, ito pag-reach out na tong person na to. I can see the 180 degrees right now. Yung 180 degrees kasi sa astrology is, I just want to show my chart. Itong aking astrological chart na ginawa. When you say 180 degrees, yung isang planet is nandito and then yung isang planet ay nandito. So, magkalayo siya. This is the Earth. Itong nasa gitna. And ito yung planet na ito. Magkalayo. So, I feel like sa connection ninyo, maybe may kinalaman yan sa, wait lang, after nitong separation, maybe after nitong 180 degrees na ito with another person, na nakakapagpasama ng connect or naka-boundary or nakapag-itan sa atin. Baka pwede nating ituloy. Pero, you do have your number 1. So, that's a new beginning right after the ending. So, yun yung action niya. Okay? Pagkatapos ng separation. So, if this is you na in another relationship, that's a problem. Diba? I love you. Pero, yeah, I can see the word Chiron or the planet or the asteroid Chiron. Si Chiron is a wounded healer. So, may kinalaman yun sa kanyang traumas, no? Na pwedeng hindi makapag-take ng action because of that traumas. Parang kailangan ko muna mag-heal dito sa traumas na ito. Okay, so thank you for watching. Sana nakuha mo yung messages para sa'yo doon. Nagustuhan mo yung reading. If you want to book an astrological reading, tarot reading, palm reading, ayan, pumunta ka doon sa akin. Nakasale pa ako, guys. Meron kang mga maa-avail na bracelet na may kasama siyang astrological reading or yon as low as 299 yung may kasamang astrological reading. Naka-sale pa yon, but soon madetalya ako, guys, mag-explain. So may isa pa ako na reading, umabot na 1 oras yung reading ko sa kanya. So talagang napaka worth it noon. Yung 299 may bracelet na may pangontra na yon because it's an evil eye. And yung isa naman is crystal bracelet, ayan. Also na na yon, na cleanse, na charge, and na blessed. So pang naman yon, pang attract ng luck. And yun ang may kasamang astrological reading or palm reading. Pwede ka mamili doon, or tarot reading. So naka-sale pa rin yung ibang bracelet doon, but soon medyo mag-iiba na siya. Naka-promo lang siya ngayon. Anyway, if you're interested, pumunta ka na lang doon sa akin TikTok shop. Guys, TikTok shop po, ha? Kasi yung iba nagsasabi, bakit hindi ako nagme-message or nagre-reply? Kasi ang mini-message pala nila, yung aking TikTok na talagang TikTok, yung may mga videos, you know. Marami po talaga nagme-message sa akin doon. Mga nasa hundreds na. So, may chance talaga na hindi matatabunan yung message mo, tsaka hindi ako masyado po nagre-reply sa TikTok. Talaga po napakaraming message doon. You know, naka-public po kasi siya, 'di ba? Unlike doon sa TikTok shop, kung talagang ang priority mo lang is to do or to buy something sa aming store, di mas mapa-priority ka din, 'di ba? So, doon ka mag-message. And pag nag-avail ka ng bracelet, may kasama yung reading. So, I also want to see your charts, guys. Gusto ko makita ang ninyo, ang mga chart ninyo, astrological chart ninyo, and ang inyong story, ang inyong buhay. Kung kailangan mo ng advice or what guidance, maybe I can help you. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.